Give me 10 minutes of your life and I might just change your life forever. This is the 2.5-step process for you to change quickly and easily. Step number 1, the old. You need to identify the old and you need to be very, very specific about it. If you look in the mirror in the morning and you see that you want to change your hairstyle and the color of your hair, you're going to look in the mirror, you're going to say, man, I want it to be a bob or whatever, and then you're going to say, I want it yellow or purple or pink or green, whatever that is. You'll look in that mirror and you'll go, no, I can't do that. I really can't do that. Everybody's going to laugh at me. The entire world is going to laugh at me if I walk down the street with green hair. I mean, that's just not realistic. So on you go with your life. It was a wonderful idea. That's what you really want. It's what you really desire. However, you've talked yourself out of it. You look in the mirror and you see that, man, I really need to lose 40 pounds. I'm getting quite obese. This is becoming a problem. And I really need to do this. And then you go, no, man. No, diets are so hard. I mean, I don't have the willpower. Again, on you go. Talk yourself out of it. On you go with life. Your old self just goes on with life. You look in the mirror, you go, man, I can't handle this coughing in the morning. I need to really stop smoking. What do? No, but smoking is difficult to give up. You know, I don't think I'll be able to do that. Do I really want to do that? And again, on you go, old life. You talked yourself out of it. You go, man, I'm so hungover this morning. I really need to stop drinking. Oh, drink less. And then you think to yourself, yeah, but what will my friends then say? I mean, me sitting drinking milk while they have alcohol, that's just crazy. I mean, that's not going to work at all. So on you go, talk yourself out of it just like that. Easy, isn't it? It's so easy to talk ourselves out of changing. Although we know that we need it, it's easier, much easier for you to stay in your comfort zone. So, step number 2. I nearly did that. 2. That is the new. You need to, when you look in that mirror, you need to see the new and not the old. Now, again, you need to be very, very specific regarding the new and what you want and what you desire. I'll give you an example. You look now in that mirror, you see the green hair on you. You see how you glow because you are now living your true self. You're living your desire. You're living your life, and nobody can tell you otherwise. And you don't care what they say because this is you. You look in that mirror, you are healthy and you're a wonderful person. You don't smoke anymore, you don't stink up the place anymore. You are a winner because you stopped smoking. You look in that mirror, you go, man, I'm so healthy, I feel so good, I'm not hungover anymore. I just stopped drinking and I did it for me. I feel amazing. Now, you see that once you go from the old to the new, this is really, so far we're at 2 steps. This is all that you need to do to change. More so, when you look at the new and whatever you want that new to look like, you go, let me talk it. So, you take your cell phone or you take whatever voice recorder you have and you talk into that voice recorder the way that it is. Not the way that the old is, the way that the new is. You say, I am so pleased and happy that I stopped smoking. I am a non-smoker. This is amazing. You talk as if it is so. Step number 1, talk it. Step number 2, feel it. Feel how wonderful that must feel to be able to taste food again, to be able to not cough in the morning, to not be able to feel so terrible, health-wise. Feel how good it feels to have changed, to be, not becoming, I still make mistakes, to be a non-smoker. Because what will our brain do when we start doing this? The brain goes, hey mate, I'm going to sort out this process and I will make it so. I'm here to tell you, please trust me, I've been through it. Trust me when I tell you that your brain will sort out the how-to portion. Your brain will sort out how to change for you. That new image, talk it, feel it, and see it. Take Photoshop. Take whatever you can, whatever image changer there may be on the market that you can use. You take yourself and you already know the old is 40 pounds overweight. In Facebook, you make yourself, you make an image of you without the 40 pounds. You make that image, and that image goes onto that mirror. If you look now, you see each and every morning, each and every time you look in the mirror, you see that skinnier version of you. You see the new. The same goes for all the other stuff. You see the non-smoker, you see the non-drinker, you see whatever it is that you want to change. You see the new. You have the image of the new in your head all the time. Do not go back to the old. Do not see the old anymore. Because we move towards what we think about. The old will now repel you away. You will go, I don't want that anymore. I want the new. And changing is really as easy as that. Your mind will sort out the rest of the process. Your mind will go, how on earth are we going to accomplish this? And you will not believe. Have a voice recorder with you. Have a pen and paper with you. Your brain will start just spitting out stuff you will not believe. Your brain will say, hey man, I can just throw the cigarettes away. I can go to Smokers Anonymous. I can get a support group. I can try and do this. I can do that. I can go to a doctor and find some help. Whatever. And all of a sudden you'll just have all this stuff. Because your brain says, hey, I now know what you want, so let's go. Forget the old. Forget all of that baggage. You go there. Now, I said 2.5 steps. Now, it is a half, because a lot of self-development will start with the half. They will explain to you the entire process of changing. You need affirmations. You need to get out of your comfort zone. You need to get rid of self-doubt. You need to get rid of anxiety. I'm telling you that that's all the half. It's on my channel. Go and have a look. As soon as you fall back into the old self, you need to watch the half portion to just get you out of that and to remotivate you again. I practice what I preach. We use these steps to purchase a small boat, which we crossed the ocean with, and we left Simonstown and we sailed onto the Caribbean. Currently, I need dental work and I also need an eye operation. So my brain just spat out and said, you have 30 years of change management skills. Use that in a passionate manner to help other people. And here I am doing exactly that. Thanks to all my viewers, and thank you for all my subscribers. I really appreciate you.